So, trades of the week. It's a little bit later this edition for a number of other reasons, but just to give you a little bit of an appraisal of what's happened over the last week or so. In these videos for the trades of the week, we tend to look through the daily charts and just really get a feel of what's happening on some of those longer term charts, really for those of you that don't have huge amounts of time in the day, maybe sort of 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes a day, something like that, to look at the markets, in which case these time frames are great. And we have quite a nice way of getting people straight into those sorts of trades, really looking for quite modest targets, really, just of 60 points. But you know, the targets are very, very, very real, very easily achievable as well, with an incredibly high success rate. So let's have a look at some of those cross pairs that have been coming through over the last 6 or 7 days. And in fact, I have to tell you that we've had a fantastic run of winners there. And the good news is that all of these trades are very, very easy to identify. We're going to go through them all now, but just to give you a rough feel, we're looking for the same factors on every trade, okay? We're looking for the changing color of the trend signal line from red to green. It would be up here if it was for a short trade, but from red to green here, as low as possible. The sniper and this line to turn from red to green as well, thereby giving us our entry point, okay? So we're looking for those 3 elements, 3 ticks in the box there. Simple, easy, anyone can do it to identify these trades. So we'll start off with Aussie New Zealand dollar, lovely move higher, moving up to the top of its price range, a good 200-point rally after that trade was signalled there. So that's Aussie New Zealand. Aussie US dollar was an interesting one because we had that trade signalled there on the 31st of Jan, which is sort of Friday night really, getting right into that trade. Maybe you got onto it on Sunday night perhaps instead, but either way the market releasing on nicely again, just shy of about a 200-point rally there. Even if we're just going for modest 60-point targets, a lot of these trades against the trend, so it's worth getting in, getting out, taking your money and so on. But again, very visual, the sniper circle, the trend signal line, the vector average line there, giving us that confidence to place that trade. Moving through to another buying opportunity on CAD Swiss, again, another opportunity to buy there, 0.8127. So again, looking for that 60-point area there. Again, the market moved about sort of 70 or 80 points from that entry point. So again, a nice profit on there. Yes, one would argue, of course, it doesn't seem like it's moved a lot, but it's about getting in, getting out. A lot of these snipers are against the trend, so we just want to take our pound of flesh and then move aside. So Euro Aussie, similarly, another great cross pair over the last week or so, giving us again that trade on the 30th of January. Very much a question of London buses, you know, no trades for a few days, and all of a sudden we had a big raft of trades at exactly the same time within a sort of 2 or 3 days of each other. But Euro Aussie again having a nice 300-point fall after that opportunity to sell. This is a short because we're red. We're red with the sniper, we're red here with this line as well. Short on the close of this day here, giving us a really nice fall and a great trading opportunity there. Other ones include Aussie CAD, similar, again, another nice move and another profitable trade. Euro Sterling, choppy, certainly didn't do it in the first couple of days. That buy trade here initially on the 29th of January, sort of mid-early last week, pulling back dramatically against us for the first couple of days, but then rallying dramatically onto target, hitting that target really just about getting there on Monday, but certainly moving through it very nicely on Tuesday as well. Sterling CAD again, another cross pair, giving us an opportunity there, 31st of Jan, that's Friday night, so maybe entering on Sunday night as well, but again, a really nice move, about a 300-point fall from that original entry point as well. What's powerful about trend signal is sort of the visual stamp that it has. You know, it's very easy to spot. Certainly, at least anyone can spot those yellow discs on the chart. That gives you that great feel of confidence about when a potential trade is about to take place. You combine that with those other indicators there, this line turning from green to red here and also here, just gives you that great level of confidence and clarity on when to pull the trigger. So here you've got your short, 183 evens, and down the market's fallen really quite dramatically. So again, nice move there. Looking at a couple of other ones there, New Zealand CAD. There was our short here on the 30th of January. 91.08. You see how the market's fallen about 150, 160 points from there as well. We're in we're out, we're taking our profits quickly, and we're picking up some great trades. So those are very much the trades of the week. We've had what sort of 8 or 9 different cross pairs signal over the last 3 or 4 days, and I have to tell you that they've all been profitable. So a great run and some really nice, easy opportunities to identify for anybody to follow. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.